I'm so grateful for people like you to be able to pull out of that. I've been always the opposite. Like I've been very fortunate to just always find joy and meaning in everything, even the stupidest shit.
Can I ask you something?
Yeah.
Do you think that's because of how you were raised, where you came from? Has anything to
No,
do with that?
no, it was my own person. I honestly think it's the biology, this because I had my parents. I'm very cognizant of had nothing to do with that. They never understood this little engine I had. I always like just sitting, looking at people, and just enjoying how amazing they are, and just like looking at like it's I think it's straight up just biology, whatever the neurochemistry is.
Hmm.
Like I'm just getting like a good drug
You're
from
just getting hits.
yeah, I'm getting hits all the time from stupid shit,
I love that.
and it doesn't and yeah, so that's why I can be sometimes I'll talk like very self-critically about myself because that's almost makes me it makes life more fun, it challenges stuff, and it makes you more productive. But ultimately, it's because I'm getting that like
You're getting the
good,
hits.
I'm getting the good stuff
Oh
all
my
the
God.
time.